Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to learn the difference between much and many. These two words both talk about quantity, but they are used with different kinds of nouns. Let's begin with much. We use much with uncountable nouns. These are things we cannot count one by one. Examples include water, milk, sugar, money, information. The structure is simple. Much plus uncountable noun. Here are some examples. How much water do you drink? I don't have much money. There isn't much sugar. Notice that much is often used in questions and negative sentences. Now let's talk about many. We use many with countable plural nouns. These are things we can count. Books, cars, friends, apples. The structure is many plus plural noun. For example, how many books do you have? She has many friends. There are many cars on the road. Now, let's compare the two. We say, much water. But we say, many bottles of water. Water itself cannot be counted. Bottles can be counted. Here is an easy trick. Ask yourself one question. Can I count it? If the answer is no, use much. If the answer is yes, use many. Let's practice. Which is correct? How much milk? Yes, that's correct because milk is uncountable. Now try this one. How many apples? Excellent. Apples are countable. One more example. I don't have much time. There are many students in the classroom. Can you hear the difference? Time cannot be counted. Students can. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to choose the correct word. Keep asking yourself, can I count it? If yes, use many. If no, use much.